Wlingua Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Wlingua isn't just another language learning app. You won't believe how it combines structured lessons with interactive exercises to make learning Spanish truly effective. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's free or very basic, but the surprising truth is that Wlingua offers a tiered pricing model that balances accessibility with advanced learning tools. The free version gives you access to beginner lessons, but the premium plan unlocks over 600 lessons, grammar exercises and progress tracking. Premium pricing starts at around $99 per month, with discounts for longer subscriptions, making it one of the more affordable options for serious learners. Most people overlook the value of unlimited access. This includes detailed grammar explanations, audio recordings by native speakers and offline mode, which makes learning flexible and convenient. Wlingua also integrates quizzes and spaced repetition techniques to ensure retention. You won't believe how much faster this helps learners grasp vocabulary compared to standard apps. Whether you're a beginner or advancing to intermediate levels, the structured curriculum ensures continuous improvement. In conclusion, Wlingua's pricing reflects more than just access to lessons. It's an investment in effective learning. For those committed to mastering Spanish, the premium plan offers value far beyond the monthly fee. It's not just about learning words, it's about building lasting language skills efficiently and enjoyably.